If you've got a weatherboard home and you want to transform it and make it look amazing, call Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance and we will bring your home back to life. If it's been a while since your home has been painted and it's looking rather drab, we'll restore it and make it look fabulous again by painting, repairing, filling, and changing rotten weatherboards so that your house is protected from the elements, but also looks amazing and gives people a reason to stare as they walk past, rather than because the house is looking run down and worn out. We'll replace rotten weatherboards, we will punch nails, we will fill holes, we will repair windows, and then we will repaint your home to make it look amazing. We'll give it the love that it's been needing, that it has missed out on for a number of years, and we'll make your valuable asset look amazing again so that you can enjoy it and so that it lasts many, many more years to come. Call Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance now.